Mayor Micah Vergara. Welcome back mga katropa! Cabanatuan City Mayor Micah Vergara made a surprise visit to SM Mega Center Cabanatuan's grand launching of their Christmas centerpiece right after the opening of the EV charging stations. She expressed her gratitude to SM for their support in the city's development and their prompt response during calamities. Ating napakasipag na mayor ng Cabanatuan, si Mayor Micah Vergara. Mayor Vergara is the top 6 performing mayor in the Philippines. She also took the time to answer questions from the media, showcasing her commitment to transparency and community engagement.
Ang Burr months talaga, September pa lang nagsa-start na maglagay ng Christmas tree. So itong mga support ng SM na ganito na napakaganda. Sabi ko first time ko lang makakita na may truck na design. Kaya kasi ko sana sa baba. Kaya napakaganda rin. Siyempre I'm sure ma-appreciate